Hi everyone, for my mum's birthday I'd planned to go to the top of the clock tower to the observatory area, but when we got there we got a big surprise, so make sure you watch till the end to see what surprise we got and how we celebrate my mum's birthday. Hello everyone, it's my mum's birthday today and we're celebrating the most blessed city in the world in Makkah, mashallah. Happy birthday mum.
Thank you.
May you have a long healthy life and full of happiness, and we go so many more travels together inshallah.
Inshallah.
Happy birthday again.
Thank you. Thank you.
So today we plan to go on the clock tower and celebrate mum's birthday. It's like 40 plus degrees today. It's so hot. Make sure you put your shades, your glasses, sunblock lotion on. Protect yourself from the heat, especially when you come from the UK where it's cold. And with such hot weather, it's a bit of a shock to the system. It's really hot. So you can get the electric wheelchairs between stairs 8B and the men's toilet. So we started the celebrations by performing tawaaf around the Kaaba, and then from there we went to the clock tower. Let's go to the observatory in the clock tower. So we entered the clock tower from one of the side entrances, and we found this frame where you can take your pictures from, just like my mom. As you walk in through the clock tower, you find different kinds of stores, high street stores and brands. There are 4 floors. There are 2 floors which are just for food. So there's all kinds of variety of food available. You can literally spend the whole day in this mall. Whilst going through the mall, we were trying to find the clock tower counter, which the website said it was as soon as you walk in, the counter will be in front. So we were trying to find that, but we were unable to locate it. So we thought we might as well do some shopping while we look for it. These must be smell of amber. So this one's 850 reals. As you come through the main entrance into the clock tower, this oud shop is just on your right hand side. It's got a lot of variety of oud, and I bought a rose oud from here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like icon and the bell icon. I'm going to take you to the second floor and show you the food area. So we just found out the clock tower's closed, so we're unable to go to the top of the clock tower today, which is a bit of a shame, but apparently it's been closed for 2 years. So let's have a look around the clock tower mall instead. Let's go into the food area and get some to eat.
मेरे मौला की शान सुबहान अल्लाह मेरे आका की शान सुबहान अल्लाह.
Got mum birthday cake from here instead and celebrating in the food area.
सबसे आला आला उनका मकाम सबसे आला आला उनका मकाम मेरे मौला की शान सुबहान अल्लाह सुबहान अल्लाह वल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सुबहान अल्लाह वल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सुबहान अल्लाह वल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सुबहानल्लाह वल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मेरे मौला की शान
You can never go wrong with a Baskin Robbins ice cream, so this was definitely needed. It was so hot outside.
वल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मेरे मौला की शान सुबहान
I got the mango flavour ice cream. It was really nice. We decided to explore some more of the mall since the observatory area was closed in the clock tower.
सबसे आला आला उनका मकान सबसे आला आला उनका मकान मेरे मौला की शान सुबहान अल्लाह सुबहान अल्लाह.
Opposite the mosque, if you go down this street, it's called the Pigeon Square, and on the right hand side you'll find the all famous Al Baik, which you have to try if you come to Saudi Arabia. It's a must. The only issue with this branch was that it only did one set menu, so you couldn't get anything apart from that menu, but it was still very nice. So what you got was 7 chicken nuggets and fries, and the chicken nuggets were spicy, but they were very nice. Definitely recommend it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.